Hajimari. All right, boomerang ball by Hajimari. Let's see what's inside. Nice little box. And we agreed straight away with the boomerang ball itself. It's pretty simple. It's a boomerang ball. You clearly have your instruction manual, warranty, and your charging port. I'll show you what this is for later. All right, easy box. Here's the boomerang ball. Upside down, you can find your charging port and then the on button. You just hold it for a couple seconds and bam. Ooh. The light's booming. So to get it actually spinning, just give it a little shake. Oh, look at the lights on that. That's very cool. And then it starts changing colors and everything. As labeled, you gotta keep this side up and then you just, whoa. Oh my God, it looks so cool. I can't imagine this at night. Oh, level it under your hand and then you just slightly let go. And you'll see there's a bit of skill to keeping this straight. Oh, and to turn it off, you just give it a little shake as well. And you see it turns off. Additionally, you can choose to get the attachment, the magic wand. Now this thing is much better for controlling it, for when you have it on, you're trying to like keep it afloat. And also much better for like, if you're trying to launch it, makes it much easier and much more precise as well, because you can like use it to direct it. I'll show you. Got your wand, and then of course your instruction manual. Just attaches as so, and there's batteries included, so no worries, you just gotta take this off. Ooh. Got some lights going. Now the wand is supposed to work with this cap. So to attach the cap, you just put it on the bottom, not the top, bottom right here. You'll see with the wand, it's much easier to get going. Whoa, now you got it spinning. At night, this would be so much better with the lights off. You can also use the wand to launch it. But, whoa! From Hajimari, you can get these at Trifecta Traders.